Let's look at another example of sequence and series question. So in this part, we are told that G7 is 6. So the 7th term is 6. And then we are told that the 11th term is 3/8. And they are telling us that they are the 7th and 11th terms of geometric sequence, respectively. Now, what do we know about geometric sequence? How do we create that? That every time we multiply by the same number. Okay, fair enough. So I have to find two possible values of r, meaning what? The common ratio of this sequence. So I have to figure out what are they multiplying by every time in order to get that. So let me think. So there is 6, and that's my 7th term. Okay. Then I have the 8th term. How did I got the 8th term? I took 6 and I multiplied that by r, isn't it? Okay, then I have the 9th term. And then what happened? I took the 8th term, which is 6 by r. And then I multiply again by r. Okay, then I have the 10th term. So how did I got that? I took the 9th, which is 6 multiplied by r, and I multiply that again by r. And then I have the 11th term. How did we got that? We took the 10th one, which is 6 multiplied by r, multiplied by r, multiplied by r. And again, we multiply by r. And that 11th term is what? 3/8. And there it is, your equation. Okay, so that's simple enough. We understand that is 6 multiply r to the power of 4 equal 3/8. Well, so how do we solve it? First thing, we get rid of that 6, so we divide both sides by 6. Therefore, we have r to the power of 4. How do I eliminate that power of 4? Or any power for that matter, we take the root of the other side. So in this case, that will be the 4th root. Okay, so that means if we put that in the calculator, we get 1/2. Now, however, we needed to get two values. So don't forget, when it comes to roots, if I have a square root of 9, value of that is 3, because 3 to the power of 2 gives me 9, isn't it? However, minus 3 to the power of 2 gives me 9 as well. So following that logic, one value is 1/2, or r could equal minus 1/2. The negative value will give me the same outcome, yeah? That's just something to remember. Now, I know power of 4, that's what we are dealing here with, but an even, sorry, I was looking for a word, an even power will change the minuses to pluses, yeah?